In this video, you will learn how to blur the background of your video in CapCut. At the end of this video, if you find it useful, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future. The very first step is to head to CapCut and create a new project. Let's add our video. Click on Effects, then Video Effects. Click on Lens and search for Blur. Click on Blur. You can click again to adjust the intensity of the blur if you want. Adjust the length of the blur to fit the entire video. Now export your video. Head back to the CapCut interface to create a new project. Add the blurred video. Click on Overlay, then Add Overlay. Add the original video. Resize the video to fit the screen. Navigate to Cutout. Click on it, then click on Remove Background. Wait a few seconds for CapCut to remove the background for you. Now you have your video with a blurred background. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.